Hi, welcome to Suman TV. Can people with diabetes eat watermelon? People with diabetes have to be very careful about their food choices to maintain stable blood sugar levels and avoid complications. A diet high in fruits and vegetables can support blood sugar management. However, as fruit also contains natural sugars and carbohydrates, working out a suitable serving size is essential. The American Diabetes Association advised that as there is no single ideal dietary distribution of calories among carbohydrates, fats and proteins for people with diabetes, macronutrient distribution should be individualized while keeping total calorie and metabolic goals in mind. In this article, we look at the nutritional benefits of watermelon and discuss what people with diabetes may need to consider before including this fruit in their diet. When looking at the dietary effect of watermelon or any other food in people with diabetes, the glycemic index is an important indicator of how it may potentially alter blood glucose levels. The GI is a measure of how quickly sugar from food enters the bloodstream. The faster this happens, the more likely it is that a person will have a blood sugar spike. The GI system allocates each food a score between 1 and 100. The higher the number, the greater the speed at which sugar enters the bloodstream. Watermelon has a GI of around 76 trusted source. Any food item with a GI of 70 or above has a high GI. People with diabetes should be therefore carefully moderate their watermelon consumption. Additionally, people who have diabetes should try to eat watermelon alongside foods that are rich in healthful fats, fiber and protein such as nuts and seeds. This combination of nutrients can help people feel full for longer and reduce the effect of watermelon on blood glucose levels. Watermelon is an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals including vitamin A, vitamin B1 and B6, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, fiber, iron, calcium, lycopene. Vitamin A helps preserve function in the heart, kidneys and lungs. It also supports eye health. The United States Department of Agriculture advised that one veg of watermelon weighing roughly 286 grams trusted source provides 80 retinol activity equivalents, a measurement of a vitamin A intake. The Office of Dietary Supplements advised that men aged over 14 years should consume 900 RAE and women should take in 700 RAE of a vitamin A. This means that one veg of watermelon can contribute just over 10% of persons' recommended daily vitamin A allowance. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that promotes a healthy immune system. A strong immune system can reduce the frequency of illness and infections and may help prevent certain types of cancer. The ODS also advised that men should consume 105.2 milligrams per day and the women should reach an intake of 83.6 milligrams per day. A veg of watermelon provides 23.2 milligrams of vitamin, meaning that it provides around 30.7% of the recommended daily vitamin C intake for women and 25.6% of intake for men. Fruits are often high in fiber. A high fiber diet supports digestive functions and helps the body flush out toxins. The ability of high fiber foods to help a person feel full makes them a great choice for people who have diabetes, as accurate portion control is a vital part of managing blood glucose levels. More than 90% of watermelon consists of water, making it a great for hydration. In addition, magnesium and potassium can improve blood circulation and aid in kidney function. One veg of watermelon provides around 320 milligrams trusted source of potassium. The fruit also contains a non-essential amino acid called citrulline, can help improve blood pressure and metabolic health. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.